First off, philosophy is a confession. Let's talk about relationships, guys. You don't find a relationship and the right person just doesn't come along. That's not how it works. You build a relationship with somebody you feel that's worthy to build with. A real relationship and true intimacy is two people standing in front of each other butt naked, flaws out and everything, and you don't care because you trust that person enough to be vulnerable around them. That's a true relationship. Intimacy is given, not taken, requested, or anything else. It needs to be earned and given to you. You can't just ask for it. It needs to be built, developed, and so forth and so on. That about wraps it up for this one, guys. Thank you for watching again. I really appreciate y'all's support. Go out and have a great Thursday. Go love somebody that you don't like, please. As always, please leave people better than you found them. You got to hug the hurt. You got to kiss the broken and befriend the lost while loving the lonely. WTJ Knowledge Drops. Thank you again. I love you guys. See you next time.